Welcome to OneSurvey, your comprehensive tool for managing and presenting project information with ease. Today, we're exploring the innovative gallery feature, a pivotal part of the OneSurvey experience. First, let's dive into your project. From the dashboard, select your project to begin. Within the project, you have various icons representing different elements. As you navigate, you may take pictures per icon. These images are automatically cataloged in the gallery. Every picture you take enriches the gallery, making it a hub of visual information. Exiting the floor plan, you'll find the Gallery tab. This is where your visual journey comes to life. In the gallery, click on Collections to see a comprehensive preview of all recent photos from each floor plan. Now, let's refine your view. Utilize the filtering options to sort photos, be it by floor plan, element type, date range, or even who took the photo. Hover over a photo, select it, and curate your album. You can create a new album or add to an existing one. Give your album a title, choose a classification, like a daily report or quality assurance, and hit Submit. Your album is now a part of the gallery's main page. Share your visual story easily. Inside an album, click Share to send a view-only link via email or copy it directly. Customize your view in the gallery. Choose between a grid or a list layout for your albums, each offering a unique perspective. OneSurvey's gallery empowers you to visualize, organize, and share your project story like never before. It's not just about managing data, it's about bringing your project to life. Join us at OneSurvey for a seamless, integrated project management experience. Discover more, create more.